Summer in the city. Haven't you seen my class? So, I see you in the same class next Saturday. I saw the sister on the past Saturday. My science and lesson was the most interesting. What time does the zoo close? My favorite music is that. Really? Well, it's always interesting, but it isn't always easy to listen to. Flowers are my favorite flower. Hi, hello, how are you? Who has is it? It's hot in here. Where has a whole month holiday? Can you help me for half an hour? Who's who? That's what I thought. What is it? Forget about it. What are you doing? A lot of people like you. Water, water.